Why does it hurt when I use a tongue cleaner? This is a great question. First of all, if you're experiencing any pain while cleaning your tongue, you're probably using a little too much pressure. All right, imagine this. Have you ever run your hand across the top of a body of water? Imagine scooping your hand while you're in the bathtub just enough to gather some water in your palm. That is about the pressure that you're going for when you're cleaning your tongue. If your mouth is dry, it can definitely feel a little bit rough. However, the idea is to apply gentle, even pressure to remove ama or toxins that have built up while you're sleeping. Of course, if you're still experiencing sensitivity in your tongue at all, it is a great time to work with an Ayurvedic practitioner or a doctor.